It's garlic season at Arts Nursery. There are so many varieties. Soil preparation is one of the most important things for planting garlic, and here is why. When planting garlic for beginners, you actually take them apart and you plant each one of these cloves separately. Pointy end up, flat end to the bottom. I like to space mine about 3 inches apart. 3 inches deep in light, fluffy soil. You want to place them where you get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun a day. For watering, water them in when you first plant them. Let Mother Nature do the rest. Make sure they're not sitting in a soggy area. In the spring, they only need water when they're actively growing, when you see the leaves. All the varieties we have here are hardneck varieties. We have Bogatir, we have German white, Mexican purple, elephant. Look at the size of each one of these single little cloves of garlic. We have Metici, Music, Legacy, Susan Delafield, and then we have some of this wonderful spicy Russian red. Harvesting is about 8 to 9 months after you plant them, and you want to harvest them when the lower 3 leaves are yellowing. That is the perfect time.